Hello, in front of me I've got HONOR X5c Plus. In this video I'll show you how to fix notifications not showing. In the beginning, take a look at the control center and make sure that DND mode is not enabled. Now you can go to settings of your smartphone and go to notifications and status bar. Make sure that hide notification content on lock screen is disabled and find notifications. Manage all, and here make sure that notifications you are interested in are enabled. This should fix notifications lag problem. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.